If you want to learn how to create a free website for business, this video will show you step by step how to do it. Today, you'll see how to make a beautiful website like this using Google Sites. You'll learn to add your own pages, have content like this, and see how to design your site in any style. Now let's make your website in 4 easy steps. First, go to sites.google.com. Sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one. Enter the email or phone number for your Google account and click Next, or click Create and follow the prompts to make an account. Then enter your password, click Next, and follow your 2-step verification if presented. Now you are on Google Sites, where you can start making your free website. Next, choose a blank template by clicking the blank with the plus sign. I found it's just as easy to start with a blank template as using a pre-made one. This is the default theme. You can use it or choose another one. To change it, click on Themes here. The different themes are listed in this column. I want to use the Vision theme here. Click on the theme to change it. Beginning with the header, you can add your title by selecting the text and typing in your title. You can adjust the width by holding a left click on the blue ball and pulling wider. Then you can check how it looks full size with the Preview button. Looks good. Now exit Preview by clicking the X. Next, click the upper left here to add your site name. Type the name and then hover and click Logo to add a logo if you wish. Then click Upload, choose the image from your computer and click Open. Then close this pop-up by clicking the X. Now upload an image for your header. Click on Image and Upload here. Choose your image and click Open. It's ideal to use an image of about 1176 by 310 pixels. You can get images from Pixabay or Unsplash for free use. After that, now your header is finished. Click on the Preview tab to see the full-size header preview, then click the X to exit Preview. Next, let's add an About Us section. We'll be using this 2-column content block with an image and text to create the next section. So first, select this content block. Then add an image by selecting the plus sign. Next, choose Select Image and search to find a free image, free to use on Google. Select Google Images here and enter a search term for the type image you want. I'll use Office Meeting search term. Google only gives you images here that you're free to use for personal or business. I think this image is good. Select the image, select Insert, and your image will appear. Then enter your heading here, About Us. Adjust the title to center, and then enter your text here for the description. Next, click on the preview icon to see how it looks. Looks good. Finally, exit Preview by clicking the X. Now let's create a section to explain our services. Click on the About section, and then click on the text box template. Click on the text box and type your heading. Select the text and click on the triangle beside Normal Text. Then select Title. Now click on the alignment item and center the text. After that, select the 3-column content block. I'm going to add the images first, then headings, and finally the text. For images, click on the plus sign, click Upload, and select the image to upload. Do it again for the other 2 images. Click on the title section here and enter your title for the section. Do it again for each column, then click below the title and add your text. Enter your text for each item. Now click the preview icon to see how this section will look when you publish it. You can check what it looks like on a tablet. A phone, and a desktop. Then go back by clicking the X to exit Preview. Your Services section is finished. Now let's add a new page with a contact form. First, we need to make another page to add a contact form. Click on Pages here. Then hover your cursor on the plus and click New Page. Then enter the name of the new page, Contact. The new page will appear below Home. You can add content to the new page. Also, the new page is added to the navigation at the top here. Next, we'll create a contact form. To create a contact form, you need to go to Google Forms first, Search Google for Google Forms. Click on the result that takes you to Google Forms. You can get there with this first result or the second one. Click on Go to Forms here. The template you want is this contact information template. Click on it. You can change the name here if you want, and delete items you don't need by clicking on the items and clicking the trash can icon when you're satisfied. Click on this icon to go back to Google Forms. You should see your form here. Now return to your Google site. Go to the Insert column and select Forms. Your form will then appear in the column. Click on your form and then click Insert at the bottom. Now you can adjust your form by dragging the blue circles. Check how the form looks with the Preview feature, Phone, Tablet, Desktop, then Return by clicking the X. That's it. Now you have a contact form. Now let's add a footer to the site. Hover your cursor on the bottom of the page and click on the Add Footer button. Type in your info and click outside the box. You can leave the color white or hover over the left side here and select a different color option, Style 2 or Style 3. I'll keep Style 3. Now you can publish your website. Click Publish, and on this pop-up you have your web address here. Then click Publish again. View your website by clicking View here at the bottom. If you missed the chance, click the link, copy it, and paste it into your browser. Then you can view your published website. You can share the link or advertise it for visitors. Let's look at what happens when someone fills in the contact form. After they enter details and click Submit, they see this confirmation message. You can see new contact information by going to Google Forms, clicking on the form here, and then clicking on the responses at the top. Here you see the information filled in the contact form. Instead of having to come here on Google Forms frequently to check for contact information, you can get an email notification each time a new person fills out and submits a contact form on your site. Let me show you how to set it up. To get the email notifications, let's click here and click Get Add-ons. Now here, search for Form Notifications. I choose this one because it is made by Google. We are using Google Forms and Google Sites. So to get the notifications, install this add-on. So let's click here, then click Install. Now choose your Google account, scroll down, and click Allow. Now we have installed the add-on for email notifications, so let's click Done and then Close. Now here you can see that we have got a new icon. So to get the email notifications, just click here and click Form Notifications, then click Open under Form Notifications, then click here. I would leave the same email, then enter how many responses you want before getting notified. I'll keep 10. I would skip sending an email thank you except if you're promoting something and want to send a short promotional message. Finally, save configuration and close. Now you're set up to get notifications when you have contact form activity. Now I'll show you how to add a contact button on the home page. First, go to the contact page. Click the link button here and copy the link. Then go back to the home page, click on this section, then go to the Insert column and click on Button. Enter the button name Contact Us, then paste the link for the contact page. Now click Insert, then click on and drag the button to the center. Finally, publish the change to the page by clicking Publish. You can look at the old page on the right and new page with a button on the left. Click Publish again, and you're done. So now I'll go to the site and show how the button works. I'm using incognito so the site doesn't recognize me as owner. Now when visitors click on the Contact button, it goes to the Contact Form page. Let me show you examples of a few different types of sites you can create. Here is a site promoting a diet product. It has only this page and this About page. Here is another site promoting a diet product. And here is a site with some articles that lead to promoting a subliminal product. You click on the image to see the article. It has a product review link on the bottom. The articles are sub-menus here. And here's the review that links to another site. Here is the other article. And that's it. Good luck in creating amazing sites with Google Sites.